viewers, thank you for coming to the show this morning. I'm bringing to you the new update of Ifeanyi, criminal EJIOFOR, how he exposed himself on a personal interview. Right here, we just picked up from the Twitter handle of our Prime Minister Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, where EJIOFOR admitted that they brought Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to the zoo. He said it, and he didn't know when he said it. But here I have other caller that we have in the forum now, that will have some conversation and some contribution that will make their submission. I will hear from them. I will get back to you later. Thank you. Let's go.
However, we were in Federal High Court on Tuesday for an application for order of mandamus to compel the detention authority, which is the DSS in this instance, to allow Mazi Nnamdi Kanu access to his medical doctors, because of course he away since he was brought into the country. Because of course he away since he was brought into the country. Because of course he away since he was brought into the country. Because of course he away since he was brought into the country.
Brethren, are you hearing EJIOFOR confess that since they brought Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to the zoo? Are we hearing it? Since they brought Mazi Nnamdi Kanu to the zoo, he said it with his own mouth. Let's go.
Ndeba na fight onwe ha. Icheke Nnamdi Kanu ihe mere ya bụ ndị Igbo ka o si n'aka. Icheke ya everything about Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Ka esiri set ya o, ka esiri wudi aka ndị Igbo dia. Ndeba anyị nwere problem. But may God save us.
Amen. Because of course he away since we were brought into the country. Because of course he away since we were brought into the country. Because of course he away since we were brought into the country. Because of course he away since we were brought into the country.
I am not telling you, ask Barrister EJIOFOR. Did any governor told him that they are rounding up on Mazi Nnamdi Kanu? Ask, I don't want to mention some names, but there are people.
I got you.
Yeah, there are people before that time, when they had that meeting in Enugu, where all the governors gathered. That was the day the meeting was sealed. But you know, our leader somehow is also, he had his own mind. You understand me? Even if you give him a security tip, sometimes.
You all had it. So,
on the 27th of June, 2021, he has been sick because he was subjected to severe torture, beating, and all forms of inhuman and degrading treatment, which was meted to him by the combined team of Nigerian security agents and Kenyan security agents that participated in that horrendous and oppression. Also, before he was extraordinary in relation to Nigeria. So he has been sick. At some point, his potassium content depleted. Now he had what they call tinnitus ear infection on account of what the injury they inflicted on him. So, and his Lordship of Justice Binta Nyako on October 21st, 2021 made an order allowing 3 persons to visit him, including his personal doctors. So, and that order has not been complied with, because last year when his doctors made an attempt to see him, personal doctors, Dr. Sifan Okorochukwu, to see him, he was denied access by because of course Mission Hamadi Kendi Bonina
Ebubedi ke chekwaba kwani agwo ya atọghị ya atụ okpokoro obere egbu ngi ya egbu onwe obere egbu ya egbu onwe amen obere egbu ya egbu onwe amen sabotu anine ga-alakpu onye na-agba nwanne ya mgba ga-anwụ amen ogburu nwanne ya maadị ogburu nwanne ya maadị ikpe dị na mmụọ ogburu nwanne ya maadị ọbara ndị nwụrụ anwụ ya ebere ga-akwa ọbara ndị egburu egbu ya ebere ga-akwa ọnụrụ be nwanne agbala ọsọ Chukwu debere anyị Nnamdi Kanu ndụ anya mmiri ejukwala anyị anya ọhamadike ndị Igbo niile a na-eweli aka elu n'isi ya o anyị na-ayọ Chukwu ka ọ debe ya ndụ ogologo na-arụ isi ike. Gwa Chineke okwu n'isi Nnamdi Kanu. Ọ hụrụ anyị ncha n'anya ahụ. Mama ya na papa ya nwụọna. Tell the Lord to do something. Sakwa kai na ebere chim. Sampu kai na tiri chimu. Sakwa kai na ebere chimu. Sakwa kai na ebere chim. Ndị niile nọ na mkpọrọ. Ka Chukwu zọpụta ha. Ụmụnne anyị nọ na mkpọrọ n'ebe dị iche iche. Ndị nọ na mkpọrọ na South Africa. Ndị nọ na mkpọrọ na America. Ụmụ Igbo niile. Chukwu anyị lụọrọ anyị ọgụle. Ndị a na-emewu emewu Chineke na-abụ nwanne ha. Ndị a na-emewu emewu Chineke na-abụ nwanne ha. Onye alụzile nwanne ya ọgụ. Onye tizile nwanne ya ihe o. Ka anyị nweme n'obi nwanne. Ụmụ Igbo ka anyị chọba n'obi nwanne. Ụmụ Igbo ka anyị chọba n'obi nwanne. Ụmụ Igbo ka anyị chọba n'obi nwanne. Onye kwujọzile nwanne o. Ichechi ihe mere Nnamdi Kanu. Aka ndị Igbo nọkwa n'ime ya.
Because of course you are away since we were brought into the country.
Ogburu nwanne ya maadị. Ogburu nwanne ya maadị. Ogburu nwanne ya maadị. Agwọ tọrọ mbe tụrụ okpokoro. Chineke ndị Igbo kulena n'isi Nnamdi Kanu. Ka ụlọ mkpọrọ gbata. I have right to pray for the prisoners. Lift your hand up for his divine release and the rest in the prison. In the name of Jesus Christ. Amen. Something is about to happen now. Something is about to happen. Oh, Jesus never fell. Jesus never fell. Lift that hand and shout 7 times. Jesus never fell. Jesus never fell.
Oh, Ibo Mado, Okujurumon Jumte. What will I say? Let me speak in English for those who cannot understand. Actually, as it is now, the whole thing has been, very, very clear to everybody. Every doubting Thomas should believe the architecture of what happened to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. We have all heard it. Viewers, you need to make comment, you need to make some submission on this exposition by this stream that we just made now. And you can hear a comment there by our Prime Minister, Mazi Nnamdi, how it happened, because it connects every dot to the circle and it makes a very meaningful details, so as it is now, I think I have to leave it here now. The prophet of God has also prayed, and what else shall we see? By a prophet, God delivered the children of Israel, and by a prophet they were preserved. His job is to pray for the prisoners, pray for prisoners of conscience, and this is not the first time he has been praying for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. He's also a lover of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu, and that our priest who is in Anambra, Father Bemoso, is also pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Father Mbaka also pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. But I don't know, some of these Pentecostals who are there, I don't know, they don't even mention it. Maybe they're waiting for politicians who will come and give them money. But all the same, let's move. There's no cause for alarm. What is hidden will actually be on food. What EJIOFOR has just made here, he has made a total exposition on himself, and he will never escape it. Let's go. I will leave it here. Please make a comment and let's know what we think. We'll continue to pray for Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Pray for the peace of Biafra, and they that love you shall prosper.
Of course, you must go and listen to Simon Ekpa, who is doing a very fantastic job. Very great job that Simon Ekpa is doing. Very, very, absolutely fantastic job that he's doing. You must listen to him. and share his videos accordingly. Very, very important. He is bringing a new dimension to this very awareness that we are making, and you must listen to him. Very, very important.
This new generation will get Biafra. Believe me, we will use everything available to us, and Biafra will come.